Israel's foreign minister has announced that Israel will shut down its embassy in Ireland. Gideon Saar put out a statement on the 15th of December saying Ireland had crossed every red line. The immediate trigger seems to be Ireland's decision to file an intervention to support South Africa's case in the International Court of Justice. South Africa has accused Israel of committing genocide in Gaza. Israel has strongly refuted the allegations. In his statement, Saar accused Ireland of double standards and anti-Semitic rhetoric. His statement, quote, "The actions, double standards and anti-Semitic rhetoric of the Irish government against Israel are rooted in efforts to delegitimize and demonize the Jewish state." The Irish government recognized a Palestinian state during attacks on Israel, attempted to redefine genocide in international law to support baseless claims against Israel at the ICJ, backed politically motivated cases at the ICC, promoted anti-Israel measures within the EU, and fostered hostility towards Israel. Unquote. Israel said it will focus its energies on building relations with more friendly nations. Ireland's Prime Minister Simon Harris has called Israel's decision regrettable. In a statement on X, he said, quote, "I utterly reject the assertion that Ireland is anti-Israel. Ireland is pro-peace, pro-human rights and pro-international law." Unquote. He added, quote, "Ireland wants a two-state solution and for Israel and Palestine to live in peace and security. Ireland will always speak up for human rights and international law." Unquote. This does not mean that the two countries have severed diplomatic ties with each other, even though the relationship has been bumpy for months now. In May, Israel withdrew its ambassador from Ireland after Dublin recognized the Palestinian state. Israel did the same thing with Norway and Spain when they also recognized the Palestinian state. In the midst of this decision from Israel, Ireland's embassy in Tel Aviv will continue to function. There's also criticism from within Israel for Saar's decision from centrist opposition leader Yair Lapid. He called the decision of shutting down the embassy a victory for anti-Israel organizations. Lapid said the best way to deal with criticism is to stay and fight, not run away from it. If you found this video interesting, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.